Hi, everyone.
Hey.
Hey, how are you, Johnny, today?
Today is awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome? Cool.
Yeah.
But this is the last day. It's so sad.
Yeah, it's so sad.
Yeah, it's sad too. Yeah, this is day 3
Yeah.
of UX Design Week on behance.net/live.
Mhm.
And this is the third Adobe live show with Johnny. On
Yeah.
the first day, you worked on the music app.
Music app.
Yesterday, it was
It's on.
e-commerce website. Oh, we can show your screen, maybe.
Yeah, I can show my screen.
So this is what you design on day 1 with this disruptive UI to select a song, I remember, based on
mobile app.
based on the CD.
Yeah, CD. We inspired from CD. And we did a mimicry. We did physics.
We did physics. We did mathematics.
Yeah.
With a Flintlow. And the logo, actually, if you can show the logo,
Yeah, it's a
was
logo,
designed
cool
by
logo.
someone, by one of the viewer.
Yeah, it's.
Hi, team. Hi, Voodooval.
Hello.
Thanks for being with us. And yesterday you worked on a website to sell shoes.
Shoes.
Oh, yeah, Lest. Oh, yeah, I remember this one. With the filters.
Yeah.
And you wanted to do something responsive, so you you started working on the mobile version.
Yeah.
I remember. Here we go.
So we did responsive.
Yeah, to show how to use the new layout grid.
Yeah.
That has been introduced. When was it? On Tuesday, 2 days ago only. Yeah. So thanks for joining. We also invite you to create and share a prototype. The theme of the day is social. But I did some constraints. They start from a template and they have some components that they need to reuse.
Oh,
so
they had.
we will see during the show what they do.
Okay.
It will be cool.
Okay, great.
Okay, so what is remember you can ask any question to Johnny.
Any question to Johnny and Mike.
Any question, we're here for you, and we will pick also someone who is active in the chat. We'll do some more giveaways, so stay tuned.
Okay.
So what is the plan for today, Johnny?
Today, I plan to do a web app. It's because we already seen. I want to make every design like they work for a startup. It's a full stack designer. So they learn mobile app, then they learn how to do a website responsive.
Yeah.
Now they have to learn how to do a web app.
A web app. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do we have for web apps? We have LinkedIn.
Yeah, LinkedIn
as a web app.
Web app. We have Gmail. It's also a web app.
Gmail. It's also an app.
Yeah.
But it's a web app. Yeah.
Yeah, web
in
app.
the browser. Yeah.
Asana
is a web app. Yeah, we use Asana.
You use Asana?
For Adobe Live. Yep.
Great.
Okay. So web app. Yeah.
Web app.
Interesting.
So who is for this app? So who is for this section? So I want to make sure who all get benefit from this section.
Okay.
And someone want to start their career in UX design, they can watch this video. And someone or graphic designers, they want to become UX designers.
Yes.
So I am going to teach them what are the steps you need to follow. There are 5 steps you need to follow. All the 5 steps you can do through the Adobe XD. You don't need to have any other softwares. And if someone is an art director, they want to become a UX designer. I received these messages in my LinkedIn yesterday. So these people, they want to switch their career. So how they can do with Adobe XD, I'm going to teach.
Okay.
So this is our topic. Full stack XD UX designer. So there are 5 things we need to do in all startups. So what are the 5 things? I'm going to quickly explain here. First one is know your user. Who is you are designing for?
Okay.
And second one is draw their user journey and emotion map. And design an optimal solution. And get feedbacks. And collaborate with developers.
Okay. Yeah, these are the 5 steps.
Yeah, these are the 5
every
steps.
project.
For every project, if you're working for a very fast-paced company, you have to do these things. And you can do everything in XD. That's a amazing thing.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just go through, how you have to write this is somewhat theory. I want to explain a theory for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
To make them understand, what are the process you have to follow to become a UX designer. Okay.
So this is what you call a user persona?
Yeah, this is called user persona. So this sometimes people use demographics, those things. So if you freeze to the demographics, this is a general, you freeze to everything. So this is a general, who is this person? What is his story? What motivates him to use this product? What is his current behavior? I took like 2-3 personas. I took different genders. It's not only men. It's also include females. So these are the stories and their life. We are just capturing through a quick snapshot. So we have to do this to capture. I captured 2 personas. So there are. So I written a guide. What are things you need to do on the research day? It's like, so you have to more focused on asking why questions. It's not, you can't directly go and ask like, okay, what are the features you need?
Yeah, what do you need? Yeah,
what do you
that's
need?
the worst
That's
question
the worst
to ask.
question you have to ask.
Users, they don't know what they need.
Yeah. So I made some pizza example. I eat pizza. So I made a pizza example. So if you are going to the user and asking like, why you eat pizza? He will say like, I like pizza. So you have to again ask, why you like pizza? I can eat quickly. Then again you have to ask question like, why do you need to eat quickly? He will say like, I can't able to manage time.
I don't have time to eat.
So that's how you have to find a problem. It's like you have to find a root problem. What is a root problem? He's eating pizza. So we can optimize his life by making a scheduling app or calendar app or a to-do app to manage his time. So that's his core problem. But if you stop in the first step itself, why you like pizza? It's like he may say like, I like pizza. You don't get any data. So you have to continuously ask why.
Yeah.
And you have to observe them, what they're behaving, and you have to know about them. And you have to know about what are the tools they're using currently. Like they may have a calendar, they may have a scheduling app, what frustrating them in this current tool.
Yeah, identifying the frustration is, of course, the most important.
It's the most important.
That's the goal. Yeah.
So if you find the frustration properly, you can actually design a proper tool for them. Yeah. So what you don't have to do, it's like what feature you want. It's from a Steve Jobs.
I think I've seen this face before.
You seen this round spectacle guy? You know him?
I've seen him.
Okay. He said like, what feature you want. It's like a lot of the time people don't know what they want. Yeah. Because we are for that, like we have to decide what they want. And we have to analyze the problem and give them a result. Wow, I think his name is Jobs.
Steve, maybe?
Anyone can able to find this guy? I don't know. Okay, so this is the main thing. So I did everything in XD. It's like I'm not going to any document writer or Keynote. I just written everything.
That's good.
Yeah, everything in XD. So that I can manage things. Like I don't want to go to the Keynote. I don't want to go to the different apps. So I just written here. It's okay. I take the text and I write everything. I'll do everything. I put images here.
So good.
Yeah. The second step is use a Johny map. It's a fun story. So you see a Johny map. So Johny map is like a...
Yeah, so how does it work?
So Johny map, you see like it's like a earthquake.
Going to the office. Yeah. Attending a meeting. So what is the blue line?
Blue line, his emotions.
Level of stress.
Yeah, level of stress. He's going like... So while he's starting, he's waking in the morning. Okay, going to office with a full spread. Okay, I'm going to do something in office. Okay. Then he entered the office. He went to the stress level. Like he see a lot of emails. You have to do a lot of emails. Then he went to eat pizza. Okay, he went to have a breakfast. Then he's going to check his calendar. Then while checking his calendar, he's seeing like so many meetings today. Then he's going to attend a meeting. Okay, a meeting is fine. He has planned everything. Then he saw a message from friends. Yeah. Okay, somewhat happy. Okay, friend says, okay, this is happening. So
he feels better.
Yeah. Then family messages. What?
Connected to family.
Okay. Family messages like, oh, you have to buy these things. So he gets somewhat stressed and he have to manage the documents like in office. Paperwork, so many things he have to do. Then every day in the evening he check his health. It's so bad. It's like he go to the gym and check. It's like so bad.
He's a mess.
Yeah, it's like then he finished all the job. He was somewhat increased in happiness. Okay. And while he is going to home, it's so happy he is.
He feels better.
Yeah, then he get a call from his wife saying like, you have to buy grocery. Food. Yeah. Then he becomes stressed again. Then he's going to sleep.
Oh my God.
So this is a user journey.
It's a very stressful journey.
Yeah. This is a journey of this guy, Mike.
Of Mike. Okay. Mike.
So I just made a Johny map using a pen tool here. I just click the pen tool and I draw everything. I don't want to go to any specific software. I can drag icon and drop it here. This is how I do the user journey, and this is the emotional map.
The emotional map. Okay.
Yeah.
So thinking and feeling what he sees, what he says, what he hears.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like we have to map it out to everything, because sometimes he sees something and says something.
Okay.
But he thinks something, because we have to get everything from him. We have to understand, observe him. But he is seeing like many solutions are outside to solve my problem. He get confused with there are so many softwares.
Because there are too many
softwares. There are, if you see like 10 to-do apps.
Oh yeah, minimum.
It's like he's saying like I want to switch to so many apps in a day, and he is thinking I want something which do everything for me, not for me. It's for me. I can correct quickly. I don't want 100 application to be in my desktop.
Okay.
And he's hearing from friends, like my friends told me hire a personal assistant for you.
That's what he heard. Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Personal guide or trainer.
Yeah, because you need help with your time. Okay.
And my colleague told me use a Google apps. Google have everything, but he don't want to mess up with so many apps. And this is the emotional feeling we get from him, and this is a journey of him. So I did this also so these are the emotion I represent inside. Okay, what are the happy moments, sad, angry moments,
laughing and being very upset.
Yeah. Then we have to make an optimal solution. It's like we have to do design. So that's we are going to do in a last step.
What you need to do with.
People always think like they will always jump into this step. They will make the UI design, and they don't actually care about these are the 5 steps. They don't do the
research.
Research is very important. Without knowing what they want, it's like we have to make an app for the demand. It's not like I make the app, you use the app. We have to find the demand, what they want, and we have to make a perfect app for them. So if we perfect in these 2 steps, we can go ahead and design an optimal solution. We can thought about, we can discuss with people. I'm going to design how we are going to make an optimal solution. I'm hiding this one opacity. I'm going to tell how to design these screens.
Okay.
And get feedback. So that's a primary thing. After you design everything, you can't directly go and develop. There is a in-between step is called a critical step. I feel like it's feedback.
Okay.
I feel like this I took from Adobe XD. You can directly,
when you share your prototype.
Yeah, you can just share your prototype here.
Here and allow comments. Yeah.
This will pop up this window, and you can update, and you'll get all the comments. See the comments here. Everything is me, but I highlighted. Developer says like I need to check the interaction. Manager says I feel we can use Proxima Nova. Salesman says this looks cool for marketing.
Okay.
So we get different feedbacks. Sometimes we may get feedback so that we can quickly iterate if you get the good feedbacks. And one thing I like is I don't want to switch. That's the primary thing. I can get feedback on the same link, and I can update immediately. If I update the link, it will reflect to them. So they can immediately.
You can tell them. By the way, check. There is a new version.
Yeah. Okay. And 5th thing is collaborating with developers. It's a very critical part. Every designer will face like, how many pixels this image will go? What is the button size? What color you used? I have to use like, you have to use like, you have 3, 4. So this is how I lastly designed when I do in Photoshop, I think, before 2 years. It's so tough for me to give each and every icon in a different resolution. It's so tough. Now I feel like I can just publish a link here.
Yeah, with the new design specs.
New design specs. I can go and click publish design specs. I'm done. If I click send or open or copy link and send in a Slack, they can check, what is the button size he made.
Nice.
This is from top, this much length. From
he knows the typeface, the colors, everything.
These are the 5 things we have to know.
5 steps.
5 steps. It's a quick 5 step. We can do this 5 steps in a single app. That's amazing, I feel.
Yeah.
I don't want to jump into so many softwares. Keynote, Photoshop, Illustrator. I can do 5 steps. It's very important for startups, and if you want to become a UX designer, you have to follow these 5 steps. Your app going to be get success.
Okay.
Yeah.
To be successful with
Yeah.
your users and the app. Okay. Yeah, it's true that you can have and you can keep everything as you design the screens.
I don't
in the same project. Yeah.
And if I make some spelling mistake, I can quickly correct here.
And you can share like.
I can share this file to people.
Mm-hmm. It's very nice.
Yeah.
And I think you can export. I'm pretty sure with XD you can also export a PDF.
Yeah, I seen that.
So you can
so cool.
select multiple artboards and say export one single PDF. Yeah, we can try. Let's try.
We can try it. Like if I want to export my user journey, I want to present, or I want to send to my management team, I can just select the artboard and Command E. If I click Command E, it's going to...
Yeah, for export. And I think there is PDF.
Yeah. There is a PDF.
Yeah. Okay. And if you select 2 or 3 artboards, you have the choice between creating one PDF per artboard or merge everything in one PDF.
Oh.
So you can create a presentation with all your artboards and send by email.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I will try this option. Okay, I selected 2 artboards.
Yeah, so you will see.
I'm going to click Command E.
Exactly. So you select PDF and you will see, so here you select PDF. And you will see you will have 2 options. You see, single PDF file or multiple.
PDF. Okay. If I click single.
Single, it should merge.
Okay. Export.
And if you have Acrobat Pro, you can rearrange the page and you can protect the PDF.
Oh,
yeah,
that's cool.
Here we go.
So I can just export. That's good. If I want to make presentation, we can do that.
Yeah.
Great. So we have to make sure this process will take maybe maximum 1 week. You don't have time. That's a critical thing. Like,
okay.
We have to make everything so fast.
Oh, yeah.
You can't make like, I will take 6 months for research. I will take 2 weeks for user journey. You have to make everything so quick and get iteration. That's how typically company now works. So now I found the problem of this guy. Okay, his user journey is this. So I'm going to make sure how to optimize the solution for him, specifically for this user. Because whenever you're starting some app, you have to be very specific to some area.
Okay.
Then if it's worked perfectly, we can expand this product. We can't directly go and expand for a global product.
Oh, to try to solve everything.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That will be so many use cases we have to deal. So I'm going to solve the use case for this guy. What are the things I can do?
Okay, so you take the user journey and say, okay, let's focus on this step.
Yeah. So what are the things he need? And I'm going to make like a personal assistant for him. I plan to make some personal assistant. It's a single app. It do everything for him.
Oh, cool. Okay.
So as usual, we can ask the personal assistant logo.
Okay. Yeah, let's try that.
Yeah, and I need a good name, like a cool name for the personal assistant.
Yeah. This could be a name too, like personal assistant.
Personal is so boring.
No, you want something fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a fun name.
Okay. People in the chat. So we need a name for the app and a logo. So, and you use logo from the community this week. So you can use Illustrator, Photoshop, just export an image and share the link. Just paste the link in the chat, okay? And I will try to feature all your logo entries. So I will monitor the chat on my computer. And we will use the best logo in the design. Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, great. So could anyone suggest a personal assistant for you? It's like if you are a designer, what are the personal assistant thing you want? I listed something like I need a to-do app. I need a calendar. I need chat. It's like I need a separate chat. Like I want a chat for my family, friends, office, and I want to manage something in a finance. I want to manage all my documents like passport, everything. Every time I have to go to my desktop and search, where is my passport? So I want to upload all documents here. I want to track my health, everything here. And I want to bookmark some website here. So these are the things I decided. If the community have some suggestion for personal assistant, like what are the features you need for personal assistant, we can add those features.
Yeah, if you have any idea.
Yeah, if you have any.
If something is missing, like in terms of features for a personal assistant app, let us know in the chat. Maybe we can add something. So we have to-do, calendar, the social network, your finance, paperwork.
All documents, my health.
Health, okay, like tracking your health activity. And your bookmark, websites and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, they're looking for names already. They have like Person App. It looks like taking a nap.
Nap.
Like a personal nap.
Personal nap.
Yeah, so
Sleep.
Person App is, not sure. Butler, what's great? Okay.
Butler,
I don't know Butler.
Butler was great.
Maybe it's an app that exists.
What is the name of the app?
We need to fix that.
Okay, great.
What is the name of the app? Yeah, we need to find it's your Nazar. You need to find the name of the app. Reminder, alarms. Oh yeah, like something to track time.
Yeah.
Like reminders. Notifications. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Please make a griffin. Rufus, what is that?
Rufus, he works in our team, but maybe it's the name for the app.
Okay.
You can call the app Rufus. Why not?
My world.
Hey Siri. Yeah, it could be Hey Rufus.
V-U.
VU. Okay.
Just.
Psst. Oh, it's like Hey Siri.
Yeah.
Psst. That's good. Persony. Adobe Cadabra, I guess. Persistence. Oh.
Recommendation.
Papyrus, like papyrus? Papyrus? Papyrus. Memoria. Okay, so work on some logos. We will see what you preferred. Should we pick a name for the app so they work on the logo? Maybe it's easier.
Yeah, I think...
What do you like? Pizza time.
My world. Don't be a light. Paper pots. I like Memoria, maybe fine.
Memoria?
Yeah.
Okay, we take Memoria. It's by Rudy. Okay, Memoria. So Memoria will be the name of the app. Yeah. So if you want, in the maybe next 10 minutes, design a logo for us and share the link in the chat.
Okay.
We will include the logo in the final prototype.
Okay.
And also we ask you today to create and share a prototype. The theme of the day is social, and it's based on a template. So this is the template on the left. You see, Johnny? So it's very simple.
Okay.
But they have to use a slider. Okay. So
they have to use.
They must use the components. They can redesign them, but they have to use these components on one of the screen. So we have a first entry during the show. It's called Van Pool. So you see there is Jen, and she's in New York, the River age. Okay, days I want to travel. Okay, between 5 and 7 days. So this is when you're using the slider. It's good. So I can have notification. I can invite some people. I can discover some new experiences. This is my profile, and here I can discover some vans. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, it looks clean.
Yeah, very clean.
Yeah, very clean.
Good job, Hess. And we have another one. Okay. It's a Jifa designer from Indonesia. It's good. He's doing a little bit of promo at the same time. Okay. This is smart. Okay, wake up and run. Too late. Okay, and you can switch.
Oh, we can switch image.
Covers. Then you can close. Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
And where is the slider?
Where's the slider?
There is no slider.
There's no slider. Okay, this looks great. So we can go ahead
maybe this is the big slider. Okay.
Okay, I got it. It's like an image slider. Maybe. Okay. So I'm planning to do a rough wireframe before going to design something.
Okay.
Rough layout, maybe. Okay. So we have 7 features listed down. I have not received any features from people. So I'm going to go ahead and design 7 features.
Which feature?
Features.
Oh, 7 features. All the features.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay.
I'm going to do everything.
Yeah,
we can try it to layout, I feel.
Let's look at the features again. To-do, calendar, chat and friends, finance, all my docs, health, and bookmark. Okay, let's do it.
Okay. So I'll try 2 wireframes. Wireframe 1.
And I need to really check the chat because if they share logos, I need to save them. But so far, they are working on the logos.
Oh,
so the name of the app is Memoria. Oh, they say hey, it's an interesting feature. Maybe it can save your password also. Yeah.
Best?
The passwords.
Yeah.
It could save all your passwords. It could be a good feature.
Yeah.
All the bookmarks and passwords. Yeah. Good idea, Mal.
Yeah, that's cool.
Mal G. Yeah.
Best. All my bookmarks and best words. Okay. So there may be a logo. Then going to place to do here. I'm going to place calendar. Chat, maybe.
Danny, to get the template, just click on the contest tab. You see in the chat? There is a chat tab, info and contest, and there is a link to the template.
Okay.
And it's just an XD file. Super, very light.
So I decided the wireframe 1. I feel like there is no, since we have so many features, like we have about 7 features, I can't able to accommodate all the
Someone is saying hi, if you want to read their name.
Which? This is
Say hi, Dain Bisistabangs Cleo Clon. Thanks for watching us. Where are you from, Dan Bisistabang?
So what is the time?
I can click on the profile to see.
Okay.
Oh, from Thailand. Wow. Thanks for watching. Must be very late in Thailand.
Yeah. So this is the first wireframe I tried. And we need 7 features we need to put. But we don't have enough space here. Or if we want to add some additional features, we can't add because it's in a vertical space. We don't get enough space.
Yeah, so how do you do for this space?
So we can try a next type of layout. It's like instead of making it vertical, we can make it horizontal.
Okay.
We can try that layout.
Yeah, let's try.
Yeah.
You want to create a new layer? Maybe?
New layer.
So you double tap to hide the first one.
Hide.
And you can create a new sketch layer. Okay.
Now we have to make sure why we make that decision because we can't able to accommodate that much features in that layout. So we are going to make a LHS here. I'm going to make...
Also, Bo Creative, thanks for sharing the link, but this is a link to your hard drive. So you need to find a way to share it with us, maybe using Dropbox or if you use a Creative Cloud shared assets files. But you need to upload it in the cloud and find a way to share it with us. There is also a service, it's called emgur.com. Like image your image, and you can upload your picture and send the link with us. Bo Creative, it's funny. And you're from the US, Bo Creative? That's right.
Calendar, finance.
Okay, so you try
I'm
a new navigation bar. Yeah. Okay, vertical, okay.
And bookmarks.
So hopefully one day we'll have an experience on Behance where we'll be able to directly share pictures.
Yeah. I need that feature. I want to.
It's coming.
It's coming?
I hope. You know. We have so many ideas to improve the Behance experience. We just need to prioritize.
Okay.
Oh, there is Abid Raza who says hello to you, Johny.
Hello.
Hi,
Abid. Friends, family, office maybe? I would put office as lost chat. So these are the different chat module. Maybe here I will type the text. Okay, great. This looks funny, but it's fine.
Oh, look at that. We have Bo Creative who shared the logo.
Okay. Memoria, it's like a...
Like lettering.
Lettering, yeah, good.
And is it a typeface or how did you do that, Adobe Creative? So it says VG, so it looks good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Looks good.
It's
okay,
like
but we need to see more entries.
Yeah. This is using a brush or it's using...
Yeah, it looks like a brush, but I don't know. Or maybe it's a typeface that is like this, Let us know. It looks great. It looks great.
Yeah.
But we will wait for and see if we have more entries for the logo.
Yeah. So we tried 2 layouts. One is like vertical layout. So this is that one. We failed in this layout because we can't able to accommodate so many features. So I'm going to do this one because this one have a horizontal navigation where I can put all my features in the left hand side and all the options in the right hand side.
We have this one by Nazar, Memoria.
Yeah, this looks clean.
Yeah, it's clean.
Okay, so now we go ahead and develop. We can leave the space for logo. I think we can wait for a logo.
Okay, so we try to do, friends, family, chat. Okay, so like 2 navigations.
Hello.
Let's see how it goes.
Hi. Okay, now we decided on making a LHS version. Now I'm going ahead and design. So here I mentioned like design together. If you have any suggestion or comments, you can leave it when I'm designing itself so that I can make correction. We can design together. We don't.
Okay, let's design together.
Yeah. You can give a color suggestion. Okay. Okay. Now we have, it's a top bar I'm making. I'm going to change, I'm planning to design wireframe first, then I will go ahead and change the colors. So while I'm doing wireframes, I will add everything in my symbol so that I can change anytime. Add to colors. Okay. I'm going to give a background. Usually instead of making white, we have to give somewhat good gray background to highlight. Maybe bluish gray.
There is a new version by Adobe Creative of the lettering one.
Oh.
No choice. Yeah, it's cleaner. Yeah,
it's
getting
clean.
there. Yeah. Good job.
Okay. So what are the features we need? We decided already. We can copy paste here. Instead of making 1, 2, 3, I'm going to remove everything. And I'm going to prioritize my points. These are the features I want, but I have to prioritize which will go first, which will go second. Like I usually like to make a chat in the first. I usually chat a lot.
I think we have some
funny logos.
Some funny logos. Memoria. Comic Sans is back.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe we won't use this one.
Okay. Add my password also. Yeah, that's cool. I feel. Yeah, that's usually I feel like whenever. What do you think? My password?
Yeah, my passwords.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if someone hacked this app.
My save. Yeah, so much. Yeah.
Okay, this is so small. 24 maybe good. Now I can increase the text here.
Yeah, good job, Matthias. We have the Comic Sans on Adobe Live. Okay.
Comic Sans.
Good job. Papyrus is next. Yeah. Lobster is next.
And chats. Calendar to do documents. Instead of I'm reducing all the text, like with the hints words like chat, to do, calendar, documents. My health is fine. My password. Maybe bookmarks. What are the bookmark? Bookmark may include all the best words, all the good websites. Okay. So we started here like a journey map without knowing anything about the app. We started simply drawing his life.
Yeah, Johny.
Yeah, and we end up in making some feature list as a basic wireframe. This is not a UI. Basic wireframe we started doing.
That's a basic wireframe. Okay.
Yeah. Because I don't know.
So what is the role of a wireframe?
I feel wireframe, whenever I'm doing wireframe, I don't need to worry about the colors, font size.
So what do you worry about when you do wireframe? Like what is
my thoughts?
Yeah, like what do you want to solve with the wireframe?
Wireframe, I want to solve basically how the app work. If I want to share with someone, if I make some blue color or pink color, they will start commenting on, okay, I don't need pink color. I don't need blue color. But my main point is how the app work. So first of all, I want to get the feedback on how the app work.
Okay.
Then second, if the app work perfectly, I will change all the colors, gradient, whatever I want. So we need to give some icons, I feel, so that it looks cool. I already have icons here. These are material icons. We can also get material icons here, I think. Go to File, get UI Kit, Google Material. I already took the Memoria.
We have a new entry by Claudia, Memoria, with a brain.
Brain? Yeah,
it's a brain.
It's a brain for you. It's an original brain.
Ah.
Yeah, it's cool idea.
It could be useful. I could use a brain.
Yeah. You don't need to use a brain.
No.
Okay. Chat. I'm going to place the chat here. Calendar here. Finance. Hot. My health. Because Apple have a hot symbol for health. Finance.
We have another typography entry for
Today
Memoria.
we get so many typographics.
Yeah, which is more. This one is more techy.
Okay, documents.
Yeah, very creative today.
Yeah. We can go to material design. I can place chat here. Here.
There's another one by Courtney. Memoria.
Memoria. It's like a Christmas.
Is it like a Christmas ball?
Yeah, it
might be.
Or what could it be?
You would, back in the day, you'd tie a string around your finger to remind you of something.
Oh.
Oh, it's so conceptual.
Okay, maybe just in the US.
Yeah.
Okay, so is that it, Courtney? It's a very nice reference. If that's the case, yeah, very smart.
I feel what? I'm going to make a ballad.
I like how Johny and I were like, oh, Christmas.
Christmas.
Maybe because it was red.
Yeah, because of red we thought it's
maybe. We're
so to draw.
I mean, we said like we don't have any brain. Like we said that we could use a brain.
Yeah, we don't have.
We have another one here, Memoria. So I guess it's more like it's a brain too. You see, it's like someone profile with a brain. Okay, so we see more and more brains coming to the design. So it's funny to see that they have the same ideas, the same concepts.
Okay, but typically red string.
It was a red string around the finger. Okay, Courtney. Yeah.
We got it.
Oh, it's not a Christmas ball. We got it.
Okay.
We're happy that Paul was there.
I want to make sure I will lock this layer and I want to make sure the icons are small. It's so big. So while you're making icons, you have to make sure to match the text.
Okay.
But usually people will place a big icon. Okay, what is the size? Maybe 20 is fine. So we can go ahead and change for all the things. Here you can lock the layer. Here lock means it's visible. Okay, lock means you can lock the height and width so that if you change in one place, it will change everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to lock and I'm going to type the icon. Icon size we have to make sure. See how it went wrong because
it was unlocked.
Yeah, it's unlocked. Okay, now I'm going to lock. Okay, great. So you have to make sure all icons are on same size, so the developers won't get mad. It's like, why this icon is 24? This is 20. Okay, lock. Then I'm going to make sure 20. So we get any logo?
Yeah, there's a new one. Memoria.
What is
that I could read Memona. This one is tricky, Bo Creative, because if I read quickly, I read Memona.
Memona?
So nice typographic trick, but be careful with the readability in this case.
Yeah.
It's a risky
People
one.
will think differently.
Yeah.
Okay, great. I'm spending time in making icons.
Hi Gifa Rianto. Yes, the contest is still open, and today it's about social, but you have to download the template. So make sure to check the contest tab. The contest is still running for more than 3 hours, so you have plenty of time to submit your entry and get a chance to win Creative Cloud.
Creative Cloud?
Yeah.
That's great. So I made my concept. I'm going to place the logo here. Logo.
Well, maybe it's time to choose a logo, no?
Yeah, I want to choose a logo.
Okay, so what did we have? Okay, it's a little bit messy, but we will try to. So there was this one. This one, of course.
That makes sense.
This one, can you see it?
Yeah, this is invisible logo, I think. Let's see. The logo
It's
is
here.
there.
It's this one. Memoria with the
Memoria.
brand. This one, which is more techy. This one with the finger.
Finger.
This one.
What is
And this one is this one. It's, but I read it Memona.
Memona.
Yeah, this one.
I like with the brain is good, I think.
And there was one also here.
Yeah, same.
So you like the idea with the brain?
Brain? Yeah.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, so I will put it on USB key and you can use this one. Who did this one? Was it Claudia? I don't remember. Can you remind me in the chat? Who did this one?
What is this awesome logo? So I'm giving some shadows to pop out. This is my important focus area. Instead of making everything visible, it's like...
It was Claudia. Good job, Claudia.
Well done, Claudia.
Voodooval and Tim, can you make sure that we send something to Claudia? To thank her? Maybe some XD socks? What do you think?
Everyone is 60s.
They all love the XD socks.
Why?
You can use it like this also.
Yeah, you can.
You can be cool in New York. Now that you live in New York, you can be cool like this. You know?
Yeah,
You will see you
in
have
winter
crazy people there.
Yeah.
You should try. You should try this.
You're on fun. Okay, now we are going to make a profile. How to... Okay, I made
Thank you, Voodooval. Okay, Claudia, we make sure you receive something.
Yeah, you make sure.
Okay, I need to give you this. So I will save.
So I'm going to make a chat interface first. So that
And Claudia, she shared with us a SVG file, so it's super easy to use in XD.
So I'm going to gray out all the icons which is not selected. I'm going to select bluish gray here. I'm going to add the color so that I don't need to copy again. I can add.
Does it work if I... No.
It's not okay.
Yeah, I just need an adapter.
So I'm making sure that chat is highlighted because we are using chat. We are going to design a chat screen first.
The chat? Okay, let's do the chat.
So I'm making sure all the icons are grayed out, all the icons and text.
Now if you had another adapter like this.
Gray. It's not a gray, it's a bluish gray. If anyone have a doubt like why you are using bluish gray, you can ask the question.
Thank you.
Bookmark. Great. Okay. So now I feel like chat is somewhat highlighted. We can make it medium so that it's much more highlighted. Okay, we are using chat. Okay.
Okay, you should get the Memoria logo.
Yeah. Logo. Where is Memoria? It's SVG? Great.
Yeah. So I guess you just need to drag and drop.
Memoria. Why to change? I can change colors.
Ah, I can change color. It says VG. Thanks, Claudia.
Thanks for sharing SVG. Attention.
And if you select everything, it doesn't work? Oh, you want to do 2 colors?
No. I thought like...
No. Which I like
no,
no.
I initially thought
No.
like giving this like this.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I thought to give like a highlight to the brain.
To highlight the brain. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll see later. It's a wireframe.
Yeah, it's a wireframe. We don't need to worry. That's what we are making wireframes. Otherwise, I need to worry about colors. Okay, we can make this letters. How this? Okay, so the brain is highlighted somewhat. So now we are going to make the chats. As we planned, there are 3 different chat tabs.
Mm-hmm.
So if you select the chat tab, there will be a friends, there will be office.
Yeah, Perimal, good idea, highlighting the me of Memoria.
Me? Yeah.
But then you read me, Moria. Yeah. Why not? I mean, yeah, we can do the work on the identity later.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I am doing wireframes.
It's not that easy, yeah.
Yeah.
To design
yeah, it's like if you...
a brand.
Brand logo.
Yeah, not easy.
I'm going to give different tabs.
Mm-hmm.
Friends tab. I already picked some colors. Bluish. Dark. Okay, friends tab. Make the friends tab somewhat big to make sure it's highlighted. Then there will be a families tab. So you can prioritize. You can drag and drop which chat you want as a first. Family chat. And there may be an office chat.
Do you want to see new entries for the contest? Yeah. Okay, there is a crazy one. It's called Multiwork.
Multiwork.
It's the latest and biggest network in the world. It's also the biggest UI, you will see.
Biggest UI?
Yeah. So I can activate this. Oh, clean. Or deactivate. Okay, like a switch.
Oh, this is cool. This is
Calendar. Oh. Slider. For the password. Okay, that's smart. That's smart.
That's smart idea, I think.
And gender. How does it work? I agree. Okay. Lisa.
Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah. Looks like a social network. Some messages. Did you send a message, Johny?
This Facebook?
No. Okay, Johny.
Wow.
Ooh.
This is cool. I like the last. That completion.
Yeah.
What about that? Wow, this is cool idea. Oh, there are so many screens.
Okay. This is your network.
This is cool.
And this is the menu. Okay. Nice. Good job. And we have also Mauricio.
Oh, gradients.
Social event app.
Cultures.
Gradients. You're happy, Johny, when you see gradients. Ooh. French Expo. Okay. How can I come back?
Oh, to come back.
Oh no, I'm lost.
Oh, there are 9 screens.
Plus, yeah, there are 9 screens. Can go here. Let's try this. Oh, here we go. Oh, the slider is there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, slider.
Interesting. Okay, with a darker theme. Yeah, why not?
This is somewhat different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, keep sharing. At the end of the show, we will ask Johny the one he prefers.
Yeah. Okay. So now we made a different chat screen. From that scenario of the mic, what he need, we are designing for a mic. Our user. Okay, there may be a tab structure. I don't worry about the colors. I can just give a wireframe. Okay, this tab. Okay, in this tab, there may be a chat option. It's like a typical chat option.
Thanks, Jenny, for the feedback in Spanish. Me encanta. Una buena manera de enseñar las nuevas herramientas de Adobe. See, Johnny?
Yeah, nice. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And one thing is I like in this one is if I hold Alt and drag this, so it will drag one point.
Yeah, this is something
that
was introduced in Illustrator a few years ago.
Yeah.
And that's
for a long time.
No, it's a classic. Like everyone is using it.
Yeah. We can define how much amount we need to. We can make separately if we want. If you find it's difficult here, you want points, you can directly go and edit here. Like this is 24.
Yes.
Yeah.
All the values.
24, then 48. This side need to be 48. Okay, this is a chat. I'm just making the...
Alt on the Mac is an option key, Matthias.
Yeah. Option, yeah. So there is a chat here. I'm going to group and we can... Okay, great. So I just made a 180 degree to make the chat visible like this. Okay, there may be a text box here.
Hi, Cesar Manrique. Thanks for joining us. Johny Vino is using Adobe XD to create a wireframe.
Okay, it's almost done, I think. Okay, we can give a comment, search whatever they want, they can search.
Mm-hmm.
We can pull this out.
Hi, Ardeslow. Now this is Adobe XD. It stands for Experience Design. It's part of Creative Cloud. And you can visit adobe.com or visit xd.adobe.com if you want to try it today. It's very easy to learn, and you can design screens, you can share the prototype, you can gather feedback, create interactions, transitions between the screens, and now you can also publish design specs for developers.
Yeah, we almost did the wireframe on the chat.
Okay.
I can make this somewhat different. Again, this is somewhat different.
Matthias is funny today.
Okay. So we made a chat screen. Now I can share with the people. Like I can share to the team, okay, what you're thinking about these features, and I can also share with the mic what are the user I defined initially. I can share this prototype to Mike. Okay, this app I made, what you think about? I can just share, publish prototype. Mic testing, mic testing. Okay, I can open a link here. Okay. Oh, it's not coming. Update the link. Since we have so many artboards, it's taking time, I think.
I mean, yeah, you're designing an app with a
so
lot of features.
Features, images. We are using a lot of images that may make the system slow.
It's 55, so you have about 50 minutes.
50 minutes?
50 50. 50.
50, it's fine.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Because you're too fast.
I'm going too fast. We have to design a lot of screens.
No, you have to be fast. I'm saying that you are fast, like you are a fast designer.
Okay, so now I'm throwing the screen without making any colors. He can add all his comments.
Ruby is asking what is the corner radius value using
24.
for the chat? 24?
24?
Yeah, 24.
Yeah. If someone, 24, I feel it too much.
Okay, you just add a comment.
Yeah, I can add a comment.
So you publish your prototype,
Yeah.
it becomes a link.
Yeah, it became a link, and anyone can comment here.
You know what we could do?
We can put it in the
Yeah, we can put it in the chat, okay?
their chat.
Yeah, in the real one.
Oh.
And
That's cool idea. It's like,
okay, so we will... Oh, yeah. Okay, there will be a little bit of inception there, so we just... Okay, you will copy it here. Maybe it won't be approved, but I will copy it also. Here we go. Now they have the link. Okay?
so you can throw your comments, guys. You can throw like,
Let's see if we get the comments in real time.
We can see like, okay, I need some other features. We can prioritize. Okay, move the to-do to the top, chat to the bottom, finance next. I am sharing point designers. Okay, so we are waiting for your comments.
Oh, it's coming.
Nice typeface. Approved.
There is a Jimmy Collins. Say, approved.
Approved. So you can leave all the...
Let's add comments on the page so we see if it's real time.
1 minute. Oh. Nice typeface. I like. Don't okay.
Oh, Donna. Paul Trani
Sounds
likes
boring.
the rounded corner. Ah, okay. Good to know, Paul.
I like this rounded corner.
Thanks.
Does it support emojis? Yeah, it supports emojis. I have an emoji plugin here.
Ah.
I don't know the plugin, emoji stuff. I usually use emoji here. I can just copy the emoji and I can go and paste it in my XD directly. See, I pasted the emoji command. I'm using this plugin. You can also copy from this plugin is called emojistuff.com. So I can
Emojistuff.com.
Yeah. I usually
Oh
copy.
my god, we need to try that in the
You can include
in the chat.
Chat itself.
In the Behance live chat.
Yeah.
I guess it will work.
Yeah.
So nice.
This icon
Emojistuff.com. Wow. You opened the door to something crazy, Johny.
Yeah. Well, I'm not even verified, but
Where is the link? You don't see? I posted the link.
It's in live.
Okay, I will post it again.
Is there anything? Oh god.
I cannot post the same link twice. Oh no.
It's so strict.
Team will post it again, August.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Or Voodoo.
Is it possible to pin the link?
Are we planning to do a XD live stream in December? Yes, Nordin. It will be the week of December 12. Oh, thank you, Voodoo Val. So it's good, huh? You get all this feedback in real time.
Yeah. I get all the feedbacks. Like I get 7 feedbacks. What is this? 8. I suggest this one. Wow. This one? Oh, great. Okay, 5th point, creative logo. What is the 7th point? Don't you have an icon for the search bar? Yeah, we can add a search icon. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can add a search icon. That's how, see how it's useful to get a real-time feedback and make the correction instead of waiting for a 1 month approval process. It's like super quick. I get all the feedbacks. Like I get 8 feedbacks in like 10 minutes. Okay, I like
Yeah, he will get a lot of notifications.
Wow. So everyone throwing the logo here. Okay. I'm going to make changes from the
based on the feedback. Thanks.
Excellent.
And be active in the chats because we will give away these poster illustrations in about 3-4 minutes. Okay, to someone who has been active in the chat. So say hi to Johny. ask him question.
Yeah, you can ask questions.
Or let us know where you're from. Just say something in the chat so you would be eligible for the script to randomly pick someone. So these are illustrations from Robzilla, Jingwei, and Christine Herring. Christine Herring, who will be back with us live at the end of the month. So very soon, within 2 weeks actually, she will be live with us.
Okay, great. So I get all the feedbacks, like so many feedbacks we get. I'm going to make changes in my prototype. I'm going to add a search icon. I'm going to draw ellipse. And I can make a quick search icon.
Hi Bruno, Adobe XD is part of Creative Cloud. So if you're a Creative Cloud member, you should see it in your list of applications. It's for Mac and Windows 10 users. And if you're not a Creative Cloud member, there is a new plan just for XD. And you can get just Adobe XD for less than $10 or 10 euros a month.
Okay.
And it's a plan, just for XD. And you can trade for free, of course. If you visit adobe.com, you can trade for free.
Okay.
You made an icon.
Search icon.
Good job.
Good job, man. You made a search icon. Make sure the angle is matching the circle. Angle. Okay, it's matched. Okay. What do you think? Okay.
Oh, yeah, and you can win. So the person will pick in the chat. You can also win the Adobe XD socks.
So you will deliver the socks to the Pele? How are you going to give the socks?
To give the socks?
Yeah.
I will personally go.
And
take a plane and just...
take a plane and to give the socks?
Take the socks and I fly back.
Fly back?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a very cheap idea.
It's...
Okay. So I get all the feedbacks. So now I'm going to do a visual. Since it's a personal application, it's not a B2B or it's a business application, we can make it somewhat more colorful, I believe.
yeah. Maybe.
Yeah. We can try colors.
Maybe you can work on some UI.
Yeah. So now I got all the colors. I changed everything. I can go ahead and update. Publish prototype. I can update here while it's updating.
And we know. I know who won the posters and the Adobe XD socks. This is Steve Bryant. Congratulations, Steve Bryant. You will receive a private message on Behance.
Okay. So now I am going to add one option here since this window is so big.
There will be one more opportunity with our next guest. Next guest is CCU. She works for Facebook. She will be live with Paul. She will be live with us in about 1 hour. And she will keep working on the application she started on Tuesday.
Okay, great. I'm going to list down all the chat here so that I can quickly switch. Switch here. I'm going to reduce this thing. Pen tool. Since I'm in a wireframe stage, I can quickly make the decision, and I'm making the chats much more usable. Like we can switch between different contacts if I place this one instead of giving a direct tab. Okay, name, last message. We can reduce this right in. We can make the name somewhat darker and add darker color here. Okay, great. Now we did everything. And we can use a repeat grid to replicate everything here. Okay, list down all the names. We can also add search, I think, here. I'm going to copy the same search icon here and make it black and paste it here. Okay, great. I'm going to copy the same text, then make it search so that you can search. Can you ask Johnny how long he's doing UI? How long? Okay, great.
Yeah, when did you start it?
When I started?
To work in UI, UX design?
2 years back.
2 years ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
2 years ago. I started working on UI, UX.
And he was working in Bangalore in India, and then you moved to New York recently? A few weeks ago?
I initially started my career in Chennai.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Chennai.
Mm-hmm.
Zoho, the company name called Zoho. I started my career there.
Oh, okay.
Then I moved to Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Then I moved to...
What was the company in Bangalore?
Bangalore company called Byju's.
Mm-hmm.
It's an educational company. It's a company for kids.
It's for kids? Oh,
yeah,
that's fun.
It's so fun to work with the kids.
Yeah.
And second thing, I work for in a startup called Techion.
Okay.
It's automotive industry. That company is running by a former employee of Tesla.
Ooh. Okay.
I learned a lot from that place.
And they do electric cars or classic
we are
cars?
making for a software.
The software for the cars. Okay.
Yeah. It's so cool.
And now you are doing this masters?
Yeah, I'm doing my master's in interaction design. I'm
in
getting
New York?
every day. Yeah. It's like every day I'm getting, okay, this much homework you have to do. This much assignment you have to do. It's like so cool to learn in New York. New York people are awesome.
Yeah.
Place is awesome.
Cool. But it's cold.
Yeah, but it's cool.
It's too cold.
Yeah. Okay. So interaction I started about 1 year back, I think. All the interaction I posted in Behance, I started 1 year back. Okay. Now I made all the wireframes. I don't care about any colors. It looks ugly, but it works. Though it works, I get all the feedbacks. Do I get any new feedbacks? I can refresh and check, I think. Wow.
You need to click on the comment icon.
Okay.
There we go.
Do I get any?
Yeah, I got a lot of feedback.
Wow.
Whoa.
Maybe you can add a divider on the menu. What that mean?
Okay, what is the number of the dot?
David.
Oh, divider here.
Oh, divider. I feel like we can add divider, but it's like too much.
Too much?
Cluttering.
Too loaded?
Yeah, it's like we can make it very clean instead of making so much thing.
Okay.
And we can add, I think this space we can utilize for making notifications. Okay. Okay. Notifications. Okay. I'll think about it later. Okay, now I'm going to apply a visual.
What?
Visual look. Since I got approved the wireframe.
Yeah. I think the community approved your wireframe.
Yeah. Someone approved my wireframe in the first look. See how fast I get approved. Jimmy
that was fast. Live.
Jimmy approved my design. Okay. Now I'm going ahead and change my visual looks. Now I plan to give a gradient. I can give somewhat proportional colors. I'm changing the gradient. I usually somewhat don't make it so bright.
Okay.
So that if we make so bright, our concentration will be not in UI. It's like our main component is like this space, like the white space.
Oh, I see what you mean.
So you can't make the background so much bright. You can make it somewhat low color, or it's not that much hitting the eyes. I like blue colors. I like personally.
So Matthias, we will invite back Johny to do some After Effects.
After Effects.
One day, yeah.
One day. So I'm going to make the icons also colorful. Everything color. Since it's a personal app, since he is a young guy, our user is, we can make it colorful. While selecting the colors, we have to make sure that all colors are in same hue area. It's like people will select, okay, some colors will be so bright, some colors will be so dark. So while selecting icons, we have to make sure all colors are in same hue
Oh, I see.
It's like, see this is so dark, this is bright. So we have to make sure that you can do it by yourself if you are experienced, but you can use tools like coolers.
Yeah, colors can help
coolers,
you.
I like coolers. Initially I use coolers. It will select colors for me because visually I feel like somewhat bright, but if you put in coolers, it gives you exact value. Okay, whether this is working or not, whether this all colors are in same hue or not. Okay, pink color. Since he is a young millennial, we can use this colors. Otherwise, if you are making something for old age or people who is working in a business, we can do like this funny colors like purple, green.
It's too much.
Yeah, it's too much. It depends on people how you are choosing the colors, and you can't randomly choose colors like, okay, I will choose pink, blue. It's like too much. People don't feel trust because colors play an important role in an app. Like people will think like, okay, it's
like
so colorful. They don't trust.
Too playful. It's a video game.
Yeah, it's like a video games they designed.
Are
we designing for, because this is my personal, I am saving my password, my health data here, but they are making so much colors, so we need to make sure, okay, our colors won't affect the people psychologically. And if you, for each color there is one unique psychology reception of the human. It's like if I put red in the top, they feel like, okay, this app sounds dangerous for me. So but I've seen like banks are using red colors. Why?
Yeah, there are some banks.
I've seen like some banks are using red colors.
HSBC.
Yeah.
Bank of America.
Yeah.
The UI is red and blue.
Red and blue.
So Alexander, Johny is using After Effects for the animation, which will be part of another live show.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to quickly choose colors. Yellow.
And as you are picking the colors, we just received 2 new entries.
Okay.
So there is a UB. Okay, and the theme of the day is social. Okay, so let's see, username, password. If you want to enter the contest, there is a contest tab next to the chat tab. And today you download the template and you need to create screens based on the component.
This is the interaction.
Yeah, media outlet.
BC.
Oh.
We can drag and slide, I think.
Yeah, I can slide.
Social medias, Google, LinkedIn,
Twitter. Write a message. Yes.
Right.
Post.
Here we go. So quick.
You select your social media.
I like the time they mentioned, like which time you posted last time.
You can schedule everything. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, what else can we do?
We can check the media codes.
Yeah, it needs parsed. Make sure we didn't forget anything. UB. Yeah. Okay. Where was the slider? Aha. Use facial recognition. That's the new thing. Yeah, thanks for sharing. And there is also Just Friends, directly shared on Behance. So this is what we were mentioning. When you publish a project, you either create a public link, but you can also embed the code on your blog or on Behance.
Yeah, it loads quickly. I feel like instead of making a video, if I embed things, the Behance page load very quickly. So that
okay. Oh, good to know. Okay. Yeah, a lot of screens too. Like, look at that. Just Friends. You can. Oh, the chat. Look, it looks like your chat.
Yeah, my chat.
Good.
It looks cool.
And they are the sliders. Good job. Keep sharing.
Keep sharing, guys. I'm going to pick colors from yesterday theme. I'm going to just copy. I like this colors. This color I like. I can just copy and put it my web app. And I can add it here. I usually do that.
Okay.
Colors. Okay. This color is too much, I feel. I'll test this colors. So too much, how I deciding it's too much is like, you have to make sure apply all the colors and make sure, do you get highlight in this box or background? If you get highlight on the background, we have to make sure to change the colors. I'm going to add this color. and I'm going to test this color. Old color is fine, I think. This is fine. Okay. Now I changed all the colors. Okay. Now we have
Mitch
to.
Smith is asking why the icons for XD and Dimension have rounded corners. Because they are part of a next generation of cloud applications, also built on a new framework. So just to insist on the fact that we are like building a new generation of apps. The new Lightroom CC also. So we are working on a Adobe Live event with photographers. It will be on December 5th, 6th, and 7th. So the first week of December, we will be live with photographers working with the new Lightroom CC. They will take pictures live. They will retouch the pictures live directly in the studio. So it will really be an opportunity to learn a lot about the fundamentals of photography, how to take portraits, how to take a product shot for your Instagram.
Yeah, I want to learn that.
Yeah, that could
cool.
be a neat. Yeah.
So I made. Okay. We are going to pick up a theme color.
And Adobe Live. So we won't be live next week. Next week we'll do a replay maybe of the best of like of previous episodes.
Okay.
But
so it's a cut.
Because it's Thanksgiving next week. That's why.
Next week.
So within 2 weeks we'll be back with. So this is the first time we will try that. It will be 4 different profiles. So there will be one UX designer. It will be Matt D. Smith, MDS.
Oh, MDS.
Yeah, he's on YouTube. Yeah. There will be one illustrator. Her name is Shauna X. She's from Brooklyn.
Brooklyn? Okay, Brooklyn. Okay.
There will be a graphic designer, Christine Herring. So she's the one who did the poster on the right.
Right.
The travel tags.
That's
So
cool.
she will be live with us. And who else? And a motion designer, Ivan Abrams, who is also on YouTube.
He's also, I've seen his videos.
Yeah, he does a lot of video tutorials.
Of videos, yeah.
And they will all work on the same campaign in a way, on the same theme.
So they work on the same time, or it's a
No, they each of them they will have 2 hours.
2 hours.
But they will work on the same campaign. They will have the same brief.
Okay, that's cool.
There will be one motion designer, a UX, and they will have to create something on the same theme.
I think its output will be very cool. Like it processes different levels in the same day. It's a quick sprint.
Yeah, huge. Quick design sprint. So we'll see how it works.
Yeah. So I'm going to change the font sizes because I'm more precise in doing UI. I have to take care of all the font sizes. 24 is enough. To see family, we can drag and drop. We can give the users option like he can customize his view. Like I want to make a family as a main priority. It's like a priority. I want friends as my priority.
Okay.
And someone may want like family as a main priority. What is your office? So this is like a chat. This is like we can integrate Slack here instead of making so many apps. We can integrate Slack messages and get all my Slack messages here. We made all round. I want 2-3 profile pictures. Did anyone have any doubts? I'm going to use the same profile by clicking the Alt and drag it here.
Thank you, Romain, for the feedback. Yeah, I hope you will be watching. So this will be within 2 weeks.
Since I made this as a symbol, it's so cool. It's not a symbol.
It's a symbol.
It's
it's a repeat item. Yeah.
I feel these fonts are too much big. I'm going to make sure the font is very elegant and crisp. If I make the font so big, usually people may think like if you make a big font, it's going to be visible. But if you make the font so much big, it's not going to be visible by the eyes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we have to maintain the good consistency level for the font. And I need good pictures. Good pictures. pictures. Maybe I can go Google and select. What do you think? I'll click profile pictures.
Oh, you know, we saw a trick yesterday.
What trick?
You want...
I want photos.
Okay, go on stock.adobe.com. You will see. Stock.adobe.com.
Adobe.com.
Okay, search for...
Okay,
so search for... I don't know.
profile?
Yeah, or hipsters.
Hipsters. Create an account in Medium.
Okay, there are some filters that you can use.
So I can...
Yeah, let's do hipsters. You live in New York now.
Yeah, hipsters, full of hipsters.
Okay, and we can change the filters to make sure we only have pictures.
Okay, that's good.
Otherwise, we get illustrations and stuff. So
So
what we discovered is that, where is the XD?
Here is XD.
Okay, so you need to open this, and you can drag and drop directly.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool. I can
Open the window you will see next to XD.
Okay. I can check this here. Okay. XD. I can close these files.
Oh, you can...
Yeah.
Okay, this one you can reduce.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Okay.
Ooh, see.
And try to drag and drop, you'll see. Wow. Yeah. And the second one, you drag on the second one.
Oh. But it copied the same image. Oh.
Yeah, but the more you do...
Oh, that's cool. I thought...
Yeah, you don't have to.
Since I have one plugin, it automatically downloading me the image.
Oh, that's your plugin.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my plugin problem. Yeah.
I see.
Stop. Oh, no problem. Oh, that's very cool.
It's fast, huh?
I don't need to download, then
No.
drag it here, folder.
Directly from stock. You can prototype the views.
Yeah, that's cool. I need this guy. No. This guy.
Ah, yeah.
My friend. I need good face. Maybe this guy. Here.
Okay.
Now I go ahead and...
Yeah,
So
go
I
back
need a
full
good-
screen.
Good profile here.
Johny, how do you look like?
Johny. This is not Johny. Maybe the good... Okay, this is okay, I think.
This is Johny.
This is Johny Vino.
Okay.
Okay,
Nice.
done. One click, it's done.
It's fast, huh?
It's so fast. Now we made a visual look. Okay, right messages font is so big. Since it's in 32, it's what...
So I hope you had a user persona
Yes,
with a
persona.
hipster, because all your users are hipsters
Hip.
now. Is it?
Maybe his friends are hipsters. Okay. Make sure all the alignments are correct. Pixel perfect. Right message. We can put a send arrow. What do you think?
Yeah. Need to send. Do you want to do the...
What?
The paper airplane?
Yeah, I want a paper aeroplane.
Yeah. You want to draw it, or how will
Yeah.
you do?
I can take it from here, I think.
You have one?
In stock photos I can take.
Oh, yeah. Let's try.
What is that?
Huh.
Plane?
Paper airplane? I don't know.
Plane icon?
Plane icon. Maybe add paper. Paper.
Paper. I can directly type a send icon.
And
Vector.
yeah, Victor.
Photos.
Ooh.
This is vector.
Yeah, if you license it and download, yeah. But you can try to drag and drop this one, for instance, yeah, just for the fun. Yeah, I think it's a big icon now. Yeah.
Oh. I can draw it, I think. Where it went.
It's in your download folder now.
Download folder?
No?
Okay, this is fine. I can draw a paper. I can so quickly.
But you can use, you can draw it in XD, I guess. Yeah.
In this time, we can
use it as a reference.
Yeah. I can give the same theme here to this round. Remove the borders and
we received one more entry as you are drawing the icon.
Okay.
It's called Art Connection. You can meet local artists. So this is why you have the sliders. It's for the radius, you see.
0 meter to
2 kilometers. Cool. Okay, let's see this one. I can take this one. I want to add to the cart. Here's the cart view. How do you want to pay?
Yeah, the animations are cool, like interaction.
Yeah. Very good motion. 20 screens? No.
20 screens is super fast.
Yeah.
It's so much things.
It's a lot of work. Huh?
Okay.
Good job. Keep sharing.
Good job.
We'll ask Johny in about 20 minutes. Okay. What is your favorite one in 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Email icon. You can just rotate.
Okay. So how to manage publish prototype, Matthias. Herbert is the same place you publish XD in the Creative Cloud Assets page. Oh, okay. Can you publish this one?
Yeah, I can publish.
So they understand how it works.
Yeah.
So when you share a prototype, so there are two things. Maybe in the prototype view, we can show what is the home. Maybe if you go to the prototype view first.
Prototype view.
We can show the home icon here.
Yeah.
So this is your first screen, okay? This is your home screen. This is what you will share.
Yeah.
So now when you share,
I'm going to share.
Publish a prototype.
Update link because I already...
Exactly. The first time it will create a link and after it will update the link. So if you share it with your users or your customers, you just have to say, oh, there is a new release.
New release.
They refresh the browser and they have the new experience. Okay? So it's really from the app. And this is what we want you to share. Like if you want to enter the contest, you just do publish.
Yeah.
It's stored in Creative Cloud and you can share with us the link.
Yeah. See? You can do the new comments also here. Do you like colors or not?
Yeah, and this is how you got the feedback.
Yeah. Now the second stage is I want to get the feedback for the visuals.
Yeah.
I don't think. Okay, great.
And yes, it's stored on an Adobe server. Yeah, in Creative Cloud.
Okay, this one. He is sending a message to me. How are you doing today? How was your life going? Johny.
Good question.
Good question. And the radio there.
Hi Zakaria, thanks for joining. Joining late, but it's not too late. We're still with Johny.
Yeah.
Today he's working on a personal assistant app called Memoria.
Yeah.
The name has been found by someone in the chat.
Yes.
And the logo also has been designed by Claudia in the chat. And he's working on the chat feature. It's one of the features because there are like 7 features.
Yeah.
You have a to-do list, a calendar,
Yeah.
finance, documentation, health, passwords.
This was bookmarks. My password.
Yeah.
Someone suggested my password. I'm going to... Okay. This is our home screen.
Mm-hmm.
We are done. Okay, now once we decide on the home screen, we can share with the peoples. Okay, what do you think about this prototype? So we almost cover the landing screen is very important.
Mm-hmm.
Like we almost cover... Wait a second. Yeah. We almost covered all the features we have decided by using the problems. How we came by step, by everything user journey, and we captured all the thinkings. Then we made a landing screen. And it's a chat screen. There he can send a message to the friends, family, office, and everything he can manage in the same app.
Okay.
You don't need to go anywhere. If I want to make a name, I can also just quickly open the Sublime and make some random names.
Yeah, so this is the trick you are sharing with us, is that with the repeat grid, we know that we can drag and drop a list of pictures, and it will populate all the pictures in the list in the repeat grid, but you can also do it with text on any text field of a repeat grid. And this is what you use. Make sure to watch the first episode.
Yeah.
You used it. Also, yesterday you used it for the e-commerce experience for shoes.
Yesterday I used a lot.
A lot, yeah, with the price, the name of the model. Yeah.
Okay. So I made a text file for the random names.
Nordin is asking the name of the typeface you are using.
I am using Circular.
Circular.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Very popular these days.
Yeah. These days everyone is Circular. It's like the
very trendy.
Yeah.
Like Papyrus in 1996. Yeah.
It's famous font. Assets. In assets folder, I'm going to change. The main thing is you have to save as a text file because I'm opening in Sublime. Now I'm going to drag and drop from my assets. Personal assistant, assets, then Johny, not Johny, whatever name you can. I'm going to XD and I'm going to drag and drop. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
I got names from a chat. Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, we are done with the home screen. It's a chat screen, and I believe chat screen we can give much more emphasis. I don't think I feel like it gets selected or not.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. So once we do the visual look, we will get to know, okay, what are the part we need to make sure it's highlighted properly. I'm going to draw a rectangle here. It's so big. And I'm going to highlight the thing. I'm going to move the rectangle back by clicking Command
Bracket.
All the time I forgot, like Command bracket and go below. Why am I not going below?
Do a Command Shift bracket, you will see.
Command Shift bracket.
There we go.
That's great.
It will directly go to the back.
Okay. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to apply the same theme we are following. So that's one thing. So we are not going out of the theme. So I can directly select.
Oh yeah, you can select your.
Since I added
gradient.
all the color palette,
There we go.
I'm going to change this bill.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice. Now you see it's highlighted properly. Now I select the chat. Now I can search. Now I can do the friends, family, office. I can search the people here.
Oh yeah.
I can switch to family. I can switch to office. So everything in the same app.
Yeah.
We are finished with the
with the chat
experience.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You want to check one prototype that we have just received?
Yeah.
Okay, so its name is Carpool. Okay, which is a very trendy topic. So again, they have to use the template I've shared.
Yeah,
so we'll see what's going on.
Will they do it or
It's social. Okay, Carpool. Okay, location Vancouver to Edmonton. Let's pick Jordan. And this is the slider to show the track with the destination and all the stops.
Okay.
Oh, very nice. And I can open in Maps. Nice.
Cool.
Yeah, very simple.
Yeah, it's very simple and clean.
Yeah, the logo is cool too.
Yeah. So now we made a chat. Now we are going ahead and make the. We have 7 features, so we can ask the community what feature.
Yeah, which one do you want to see?
Yeah.
Do you want to see the to-do, calendar, finance, documents, health, password, or bookmark?
Yeah, because
knowing that Johny will have 12 minutes.
12 minutes?
12.
Oh, it's running
it's
so
enough.
fast.
No.
We can take one feature, I think, in 12 minutes.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay, select
Johny.
Which feature you want to see.
Okay, which one do you want? Document. Okay, David. Okay, let's see if we have other feature request.
Documents.
Documents so far. The health.
My health.
Which one is the more visual? I like the health, no?
Yeah,
I'm sure you can do something visual with the health.
graphs will come, yeah, I think.
Yeah, let's do health.
Health, okay.
Okay.
We'll free the health.
Yeah.
For chat, again, I believe I can do quickly some prototype. I can copy the artboard 3 times so that I can show.
Oh, yes, to show the interaction.
Yeah. So we can also show how we derive from wireframe to visual. This is a wireframe we decided.
Yeah, at the beginning of the show.
Yeah. Beginning of the show, we decided this wireframe, then we made this visual.
It looks much better.
Yeah. We not changed anything, but layout base it's same, but visually we changed. Now, okay. Now we'll quickly do the health, then we'll do the interaction. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah. I'm going to select the health screen. Health, go to health.
You can do Command Shift.
No.
That's already in the back.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's already in back. I want to make sure the chat is in the same color.
Hi, what was the color, you remember?
Yeah, I remember it. Purple. Since it's a mask.
It's a mask. Okay.
Yeah. Purple, I remember. Purple. So that's what we have to add the color here. That's a mistake I made. So add all the colors before I'm going.
Oh, how about you try the publish project feature? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's a very nice service. And now we have 2. The other one is publish the design specs if you want to hand off to developers.
Yeah, we'll show at the end.
Yeah,
we can show.
We can quickly show how it works.
So after finishing the health, we'll quickly show how.
Yeah, the handoff. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, now I selected the my health. Now I'm going ahead. Everything going to be same. The base of the card we don't change because it's easy for the developers. So I'm going to lock this layer. I'm going to lock mode. Then I'm going to lock. Whatever. Disturb me. Lock. Now I'm going to delete these things. And it's a blank card we have. I think the background is not too much. I can't see it my computer. My computer it's visible. We can make the background somewhat dark, I think, because it's. What do you think?
Oh yeah, to add some contrast.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah,
not,
it's a good idea.
Yeah, it's not that much.
It's more just for the screen. Yeah.
Again, because we have to make sure our card is much more highlighted. I'm going to make sure the background is dark. Okay. I feel the background merge with the Adobe color. Okay, great. Now we'll go ahead and what other things will come on health? What other things will...
You can track the number of
walk.
steps.
Yeah,
number of steps.
Number of steps, maybe. We can make card
be
structure.
connected to
So we have to
watch.
decide. Yeah. We can copy the text style from here so that we don't make a new text file. Number of steps, maybe
steps.
steps. What are the other things we need? Heart rate. What are the other things we need in a health tab?
Maybe like the rate of sugar in your blood. If you have
sugar in the blood.
Okay. We can imagine that Mike needs to monitor this. Oh, Johny Vino in this case. Sorry, the user is Johny Vino.
Yeah.
You should know what you need. This is your app.
What I need to know my health rate. Heart rate is fine. So we have to decide the headings first and make the cards.
Okay, the cards.
Yeah. So I'm going to track my heart rate. I'm going to track my insulin level.
Yeah, we can do that.
That's how we can track. BPM. What are things we need? How many steps I walked?
I don't know.
How
Blood
many?
pressure for the stress.
Yeah, distance is
Distance,
we forgot.
okay.
Yeah, distance we forgot.
Okay.
We can make the distance here because steps.
Yeah, it's related to the steps. Yeah.
Yeah, this is like somewhat biological. The above two things are like steps and the thing. So we can try different graphs. For steps, it will be okay. This we can make rectangle. Like we can also add a filter here. Okay, this is a step for a week or a month or a day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there must be some filtering here. Okay, I selected week. Now I am going to create a week. Because we can also give a drop down here. We can make this as a symbol and copy paste in all the cards, I think.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah, so that I don't need to repeat. So I'm going to select all the thing and I'm going to group. Then I'm going to click. Then if I click the command key, it automatically add this to symbol. We can check here. See? Now I can put this here, also more here, and align properly how you align. Okay, great. Now steps maybe okay. You made this much steps on Monday, on Wednesday. We can show a bar graph.
Okay.
We can get feedback from our people. Okay.
Maybe you want to show how we can use the repeat grid?
Yeah, that's a cool thing. So I made a 1 bar graph. We can make it this as a month so that we can show a lot of bar graph. Okay, I'm going to use a repeat grid. Great. Okay, now I want to make sure to make the different height. So I have to ungroup the
repeat grid.
It's a sad thing, but it's fine. Is there any possibility to without ungrouping you can do this?
No, you have to ungroup.
No, okay.
There is no other way.
Yeah. You can randomize and show it visually look good. And we have to be much more practical. Always we can't be high in steps. Have to make it visually good, somewhat raising and downing for visual purpose. We can't say like everything is high, it don't look good. We have to make sure okay, going high, low. Though it's not practical, but you have to make it. If you are presenting with someone, we have to make sure visually it looks good. Okay, great. Now I made the steps so quickly.
And for data visualization like this, like you should check on the Creative Cloud YouTube channel. There is a Max Sneak. I think the name of the project was Project Lincoln. And it's developed by one of the engineers at Adobe.
Great.
And it's on top of XD to create from data. So from Excel spreadsheet, for instance, to generate
graph.
Yeah, graphs, but all type of. You can really customize the way you want to transform data into information using graphs.
Oh, that's cool.
Super, very design oriented. I think they will find the link in the chat, but I think it's a Project Lincoln, pretty sure.
Okay. Now for distance, I can give like a graph, like some normal line graph maybe.
Using the pen?
Yeah.
Pen tool?
I'm going to randomly place.
Okay.
Not randomly, I'm going to use a repeat grid for this also, so that the spacing is same, because the main importance of repeat grid is spacing going to be same.
Okay.
Then I'm going to ungroup.
I
I'm
see.
going to hold the shift and drag it down and whatever shape I want.
Nice.
We can leave it this way. I think this is a trend I'm seeing. Instead of giving a line, people are just give only the rounds. It's a dotted graph. I seen people are doing. I did 2-3 graph. Okay, great. Looks great. Okay, now we are going to select all the ellipse. I can go to the layers, I can select all the ellipse. Then I'm going to the colors panel that I already added all the colors. Yeah, this is the distance. Like we have to make sure all the legends here. I not put the legends. Initially I design only the visual looks. Okay, insulin level must be a curve because it's going down and up. So we can use pen tool. So health is a good idea to choose.
Because you can show all the different
we can
type of graphs you can create. Nice
like
techniques.
If I hold down here, it's like who chose health, it's good. Okay, this is my insulin level throughout the day. Oh, it's a fill. Okay, I can increase.
Oh, lol. Johny.
Okay, I can give.
Can you add points afterwards?
Points?
Like if you use the pen tool, maybe you can add do this.
Yeah. What point?
Yeah, or continue. Yeah, here. If you click here, can you continue?
Yeah, I can.
And add one.
Yeah. Why we need to add one?
Because I want you to close the shape like this.
Oh, like this? Okay, I got your point.
So maybe select the pen tool.
Pen tool.
Yeah, I know how to do it in. Oh, here we go. And now you can continue.
Yeah.
Okay, so you
can. This point I usually delete.
Yeah, the encore.
Yeah. Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, you have the smart guide. Here we go. And close the shape.
Close the shape.
Ah.
And now I can apply my fill.
Nice.
I can also consider different.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this looks.
Yeah,
cool.
this looks good. Yeah.
Again, if you want to make it visually somewhat.
Okay, one more, and we need to.
One more.
To decide who will.
Who is the winner?
Yeah. Of the contest during your show.
Okay.
You want to review now? Okay.
Yeah.
So we have this new entry.
Okay.
Find any events in seconds. Okay, find events. So we'll sign up.
Sign up. I like the color.
Okay. Wow, you have a lot of events. Music events.
I like the map. It's
yeah. So football, soccer match, sport. Nice. But where is the slider? Oh.
Maybe you missed or it's not there.
Just checking everywhere.
It's
maybe this one. Maybe. Okay,
yeah.
Maybe. So you remember there was this one, the art connection. There was a carpool.
Okay.
Remember? So Jordan. UB. With I think it was a social media, and we could select Twitter if I remember well.
Yeah, we can.
It will schedule your post. Just Friends, which was a project on Behance, so I will reload it. Location range and range. With the chat.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. Chat.
And we have a multi-work. With the radial menu. Okay, back here. I think there was a login experience too.
Yeah.
Oh. And there was something else with all the pictures.
You can just go through the screen.
Yeah. Yeah, there was a calendar, like the full login experience. And Mauricio, what was it?
Yeah,
the event next to you with the dark theme. Cultural events, French Expo. This is the slider. Notifications. Yeah.
This looks cool.
There was this one at the beginning of the show.
Yeah.
Pool. So notification, discover new experiences, and some bands, and the profile.
Yeah.
And this one, with the 3 pictures.
Yeah.
But we're still looking for the slider.
Oh, this is a big slider.
Yeah. Okay, so which one do you want to
This one.
reward?
I like the first one we received.
Which one?
Chat.
The one who
Yeah.
who made a chat. Okay, which one was it? Was it this one?
No, next one. Next. Yeah, this one.
This one had a chat?
No, yeah.
No.
No chat, but this one looks cool. I like that one.
Yeah, the chat. Okay, let's just find the chat to make sure. Oh, it was this one. Just friends. So you prefer this one, just friends, or this one?
Yeah, this one.
You prefer this one?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. So congratulations to the designer behind the project Vanpool,
Vanpool.
traveled by Hess. Apparently, you will receive a private message on Behance and get a 1-year Creative Cloud subscription.
That's great.
Yeah, congratulations. There will be another. You can still enter the contest. Okay, the rules are in the contest tab. And during the next show with CCU, who will join us at some point.
Okay.
And it will be hosted by Paul Trani.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think what is the time in different places? Like people are so active in this time.
And we just have 1 or 2 minutes left, Johnny.
1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, so let's make sure in the chat to all say thank you to Johnny for
thank you.
sharing your knowledge and for your great presentations.
Okay.
If you want to share the assets, Johnny, such as this project, we can share it with the community.
Okay.
Okay, you can send it to us and we'll update the descriptions on YouTube of the replays.
Okay, that's
so
great.
they can access the documents,
I
everything that
can
you
make a
documented.
presentation for each day.
Oh yeah, it would be awesome.
I can share, what are the process we followed.
And if you want also to create Behance projects on your profile, based on what you created, then we can also feature them on Behance.
Oh, that's good. Let's go.
Okay. Yeah, they all say thank you. And thanks everyone for during this entire week for picking the names for the apps, creating logos.
So many logos.
You had real-time feedback.
Yeah.
Johnny, we want you back for motion design.
Motion design.
Yeah, we want to understand how you use After Effects to animate all these applications.
Okay.
And wish you the best in New York.
Okay, sure.
Good luck with the masters. But I feel that you will teach them how to use how to do interaction design. I feel that you will become the teacher before the end of the year. Okay, thanks everyone. Stay tuned. We will be back with Paul Trani in a few minutes. Okay, on behance.net/live with CCU. She's a product designer at Facebook. Okay, thanks, Johnny.
Thanks,
See
guys.
you. Bye, everyone.
Joining the